A very good morning, class 10. Today we are going to start a new chapter, okay? It's first chapter, GST, Goods and Services Tax. So you know some like basic things about GST as you have already done project in class 9. So here you know tax is collected by the government, okay? So only basic things I'm giving, some important terms, okay, which we need to solve question, to understand the question. Only those things I'm giving. So types of GST, okay, we need these types of GST. Number one is central GST, in short form CGST, okay. So it is collected by the central government for the intrastate transaction or movement of goods and services. In case of CGST, the beneficiary is the central government. So when the transaction or the movement of goods are taking place in one state only, okay, from one place to another within one state only, then that is called intrastate movement, okay, intrastate transaction. In that case, the tax will be collected by the central government, CGST, okay, CGST. So here is the definition of intrastate, means supply within the same state. Number two is state GST, SGST or Union Territory GST, UGST, but we use this word, okay, this is common word which you find in your numerical problem. So it is collected by the state government or Union Territory for intrastate or Union Territory transaction or movement of goods and services. In case of SGST, the beneficiary is the state government. In case of UGST, the beneficiary is Union Territory government. So here in SGST and UGST, okay, the tax will be collected by, if it is state, okay, if it is in Sikkim, then it will be collected by the state government, okay. But if it is Lakshadweep is a union territory, then in that case the tax will be collected by Union Territory government, the government of that union territory, okay. So from these two, okay, CGST and SGST or UGST, intrastate transaction, during intrastate transaction you have to pay two taxes, okay. One is SGST or UGST and CGST. So two taxes are applicable here, okay, in case of intrastate transaction. Now third is integrated GST, IGST. So it is collected by the central government for interstate transaction or movement of goods and services. So this IGST is totally collected by the central government. If the transaction is between two states, from one state to another, okay, then in that case we have to pay only one tax, that is IGST, and that GST will be collected by central government, okay. So here interstate means supply from one state to another. So here I have given, okay, note, interstate, in interstate from one state to another you have to pay only one tax, that is IGST. But if it is intrastate, means within one state, then we have to pay two tax, CGST and SGST, okay. Now we will start exercise. So exercise 1A. Number 1, for the following transaction within Delhi. Within Delhi means intrastate. Only one state is here, Delhi. Within Delhi, that means intrastate. Fill in the blanks to find the amount of bill. So MRP rupees 12,000, discount is given 30% and GST is 18%. So you have to find first discount. Discount is given 30%. So discount is always calculated on MRP, no? So 30 by 100 into 12,000, which is 3,600. So discount is 3,600. Next you have to find selling price, or it is also called discounted price, price after getting discount. No, selling price is, to find the selling price you have to subtract this discount from MRP. So MRP minus discount. So 12,000 minus 3,600, which is 8,400. Now next is you have to find CGST. So here GST is given 18% and it is intrastate, no, intrastate, and I have told that with in case of intrastate we have to pay two taxes, CGST SGST. So your GST is 18%. That means 9% will be CGST, 9% will be SGST. Half you have to pay. Okay. So here CGST will be half of 18, that is 9% of this discounted price, which is 756. Similarly, SGST is 9%, so 9% of 8,400 is rupees 756. So here IGST is 0 because IGST is applicable in case of interstate, okay, not in intrastate. So you have to find amount of bill. To find amount of bill, selling price plus you have to add CGST and SGST. So 8,400 plus 756 plus 756, which is rupees 9,912. Now next is question number 2. For the following transaction from Delhi to Jaipur. So from one state to another. You know Jaipur is in Rajasthan. So Delhi is one state and Jaipur is another state. Okay. So fill in the blanks to find the amount of bill. So here is interstate. So we have to use IGST. Here SGST and CGST will be 0. So MRP is given rupees 50,000. Discount is given 20%. GST is given 28%. So we have to find first discount. Discount is 20 by 100 into 50,000, which is 10,000. So discount is 10,000. Now you have to find selling price. Selling price is discounted value. So MRP minus discount. 50,000 minus 10,000 is 40,000. So discounted price is 40,000. Now here CGST is 0, SGST is 0, but IGST will be 28% of 40,000. So 28 by 100 into 40,000, which is rupees 11,200. Now you have to find amount of bill. So in that bill you have to include this GST. So selling price plus IGST, which is 51,200.